Meta has finally created a worthy adversary to be thrown into the AI wars, and that is Llama 4, which is their latest large language models. Now, we have a couple of different models here. We have Llama 4 Scout, Llama 4 Maverick, and Llama 4 Behemoth, and Behemoth is set to be their most intelligent model. Now, according to Meta, Llama 4 Behemoth outperforms GPT 4.5, Claude Sonnet 3.7, Gemini Pro, and several STEM benchmarks. So it's still in training and they haven't released Llama 4 yet, but they are saying and making bold claims that it is the best model compared to some of the top models out there. So I've actually went ahead and implemented Llama 4 into my tool so you can use it for completely free. Meta has released Llama 4 Maverick to be completely free. And if you want to use it for yourselves, head over to the link in the description below today's video. It is my custom tool that I've been creating, WordRocket. It is a temporary URL and we will switch over to a custom URL very, very soon. So once you click on the link and you log in, it is completely free to use because we still are in beta. Head over to dashboard and then we want to filter and use the free SEO Blog Post Generator. So once we're on the free SEO Blog Post Generator, we can scroll down. And before entering our inputs, if I look at the free models here, and these are all free, by the way, so you have Gemini Pro, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 2.0 Pro, DeepSeek V3, Llama 4 Maverick, and Quen, which is from Alibaba. So all of the free models will be found within this specific template here. So you pay $0 to sign up, you pay $0 to generate your content, and essentially you can generate as much as you like for completely free. At least for now. We will probably have rate limits in the future. So what you want to do is you first want to enter the topic in which you like to write about. Before you generate your content, you can enter in your sitemap into the Sitemap Scraper here. It will scan your sitemap. Let's go ahead and click that. As you can see, it will successfully retrieve all of your URLs. So this is 196 URLs. We can then click to include these relevant internal links throughout the article. So we'll take those URLs and intelligently choose the best ones to include within your articles. In 2025, that's going to be the article topic in which I would like to write about. We're going to use Llama 4 Maverick. And then we can choose the article type, the tone of the article, intended audience. We can even add a custom outline, additional context. I'm going to try to aim for 2,000 words. Let's see if I'm able to get that word count. And we're going to keep it. Let's do first person for fun. And we're good to go. Then we just go ahead and click generate content and the AI will do its thing. So I've went ahead and generated some content before I started this video. And this is the free SEO Blog Post Generator. If I scroll back, I can see my input. So best refinancing tips of 2025. And I use Llama 4 Maverick. I went for 2,500 words, but the content quantity was pretty short. As you can see here, not very long. If I scroll down, it's not a very long piece of content, but I did get my internal links, right? As you can see here, I did get my internal links. And this is what the full article looked like. Refinancing your mortgage in 2025. Top tips to save thousands. It's not a bad article, but again, it's very, very short. But it went ahead and included my internal links, which I think is really, really good. So are you tired of paying too much for your mortgage? With interest rates fluctuating and the housing market constantly evolving, refinancing your mortgage can be a smart financial move in 2025, but navigating the refinancing process can be complex, So decent article. I'm kind of underwhelmed again by the length of the article. So let's see if we're actually able to get a longer article. And while that is generating, if you guys would like to generate the best possible images using AI, check out my other tool, which is WordRocket. It will be in the description below today's video. If you like it, you can get a lifetime deal or a monthly deal, whatever you like. But it is some of the best images you can generate using AI. Okay, so the content has been finished, and this is the output in which we get back. Unlock the secrets of getting approved for a mortgage in 2025, a step-by-step guide. As we step into 2025, the Canadian mortgage landscape is expected to undergo significant changes, making it more challenging for home buyers to secure a mortgage. Okay, so step 1, step 2. This seems to be a little bit longer, but again, it's still a little bit short for my likings. Let's copy this over. We're going to paste this in there. And I would say that this is probably maybe about 1,000 words if we're lucky. So not a very long article by any means, but again, it's completely free to use, so you can definitely test it out. And that's why we have the free SEO blog post tool, is that when there's new models that come out like Llama, we can test it out quickly to see if we actually want to use this model for content creation. I'm just going to do a quick word count. It is less than 1,000 words, so I'm a little bit underwhelmed by the content quantity in which we're getting back. I'm going to try to work with the prompts on the back end to see if there's something that I can do on my end to improve the output quality. But again, if you'd like to use it for completely free or try it out for yourselves, you can check out the link in the description below today's video. Use it for completely free. All you need to do, and I should have probably mentioned this at the beginning of the video, is you need to enter in your OpenRouter API key, because that's where we're pulling all of these models from. It's very easy. Just head over to OpenRouter.ai, create a key, copy over that key, and paste it into this section here. And you will then get access to all of the models that's specific for those templates. And as you can see, we're building new templates day by day. We have a new template that we're working on. It's really, really good. There's still some bugs within it, but a product roundup article generator, you include your topics, and then we generate a very, very unique, in-depth, and engaging product roundup article. So there's a lot of new updates, and you can use it again for completely free. So check out the link in the description below today's video. And if you have any suggestions or updates or things you'd like me to include within this tool, just send me over an email, support@wordrocket.ai. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.